Hello everyone. Today we will try to learn how we can mask images. Suppose you have one square image and you want to change its shape according to another image you have in your assets. So how you will do that? Okay. So I have imported circle, square and one person image, and I have also imported my CSS file, and my React app is live, and you can see here that this is a circle, this is the square, and this is the person image. I have picked all these images from Pixabay. You can do that from any Figma design or any platform you like. Now, I will wrap this these images inside one big container. So let's create a div with class name masked images, and we will wrap these images inside. Okay. Now let's give some properties to this container or div inside which all the images are stored. So first thing we can do is make it the position relative, and we can give the width and height of 100% and height 100 VH. Okay, now what we will do, we will provide some width and height to all these images so that we can see it properly. So let's give some property to circle. So first thing we can do is give them a position absolute so that we can fix their position in our container, which is relative. The position of the container is relative, and inside that we will put our circle. Now let's give the width to 30% and height to 60%, and we will make the position top 0 and left 0. Let's give these same properties to our square and person. I already added the class name square and person, and let's give this left 30% so that we can see the square and person's image also, so that these are visible to us in our React app. So this is how our mm, live app is looking, because we have these three images. Now we want to change the shape of this square image similar to this circular image, right? So what we will do, it's very simple. We just have to add this mask image, and we have to add the URL. So in assets, I have the image of a circle, and it is in PNG form. So we will add that. Another thing, another property we can add, that is mask repeat, no repeat, mask position. We can add that center. Another, uh, mm, we can add this to cover all the surface of the circle, or let's see how it turns out. Okay. So you can see that I've added some properties related to masks image, mask repeat. You can just play with the properties, but the basic one is that we are using the circle.png as the base to cut off the sides or the square image to make it look like a circle similar to the shape of the circle.png, right? Okay, let's do this thing with the our another image, which is a person's image. Now, if we do that, and if suppose if we put it here, and as you can see, it will go here. Now it's covering whole uh, circle, the circle image. So suppose we reduce its size by 3%, to 27, and its height also, let's give 57, and let's give it 3% here and 3% here. Let's see how it looks. It is little bit left, and so let's give it only 1% and 1%. Okay. So this is how it is looking. This is coming because we had this squared image, and the sides are because of the width. We can still see some parts of that square. So suppose you have one very designable shape or image, and you want to add any other image on top of that, or anywhere with the same shape, you can use mask property. So I guess it was helpful. I was working on some website, and I had to mask the person's image according to the leaf's image. So it was really interesting, and so thought of sharing this. So I guess it was helpful for you. Thank you.